guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with an amazing recipe which is quite yummy and quite simple as well, and you can make it using very basic ingredients at home only. And this is quite popular among kids also, and the name of the recipe is garlic bread. Yes, garlic bread. So for this I'll start with the ingredients first. Here I've taken some grated cheese. This is as per the taste. Some 5 to 6 garlic cloves, some corn, boiled corn, some chopped coriander leaves, some mixed herbs, chili flakes, this is homemade chili flakes, salt to taste, and 3 spoons of butter, right? And I have taken 4 slices of bread, right? So I'll firstly start with the making of spread. And yes, I'll be making cheese dip as well, so I'll just tell you the ingredients. Here I've taken 1 spoon of milk powder, 1 spoon of butter, Nutrilite butter, 3 spoons of cheese spread. I'm using garlic Amul cheese bread here, and 1/4 cup of milk. So I'll start with the spread first. So I'll start with the mixing first. I'll start with the spread. Here I've taken 3 spoons of butter, Nutrilite butter. Make sure that it should be at the room temperature only. Some garlic, chopped garlic. Some coriander. Some mixed herbs. Some chili flakes, and some salt. Just mix it properly. See, the spread is ready. Now I'm going to apply this on the bread. You need to apply this evenly on one layer only, one slice only. Once you are done with this, just keep it here. Take another slice. Put some cheese here. This is as per the taste. I have taken mozzarella cheese here. I put some corn. I've taken frozen corn here. Need to, if you are boiling it, then you need to boil it for some 2 to 3 minutes, or otherwise if you are going to microwave this, then it is for 1 minute. Going to put this layer on the top like this, and now I'm going to grill it. So you need to place the bread upside down. Now I'm going to spread this on the other end of the bread also. Now we'll grill it. And we'll start making dip. I'm going to pour butter into this, 1 spoon of butter into non-stick pan. One-fourth cup of milk. Make sure you keep the flame low here. Just stir it a little And now I'm going to add milk powder. Need to wait for a boil. After that I'm going to add cheese spread. Guys, here I'm using Amul cheese. After a boil I'm going to add cheese spread into this. We just need to melt it. We don't need to cook it, just have to melt it. So just need to wait for a few seconds. See, it's done. I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. I'm all set to enjoy the dip with garlic bread. Now we'll see the bread also garlic bread. We'll check the garlic bread now. Wow, it's done. So I'm going to transfer this into a plate. I'm going to cut this into pieces. I've cut this into pieces. Now I'm going to do the plating. So guys, I'm done with this cheesy garlic bread with cheese dip. Do try this, very simple recipe, and you can make it using basic ingredients as I mentioned, and that too regular bread in only. So we'll be coming back with a new video soon. Till then, take care of yourself and do share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.